Hey everyone, Electro here. I've just finished a mill, so I thought I'd show you guys my 5-axis milling machine. This particular one, it's a pantograph design, which means it's basically a hand-operated machine. It's not a CAD/CAM machine. How it works is on a stylus and cutter system there, which is operated by the foot control down there. Now, hang on, I'll just put it back there. When it's on, you see that the cutting tip turns and there's a constant flow of air underneath it to blow away any debris. You've also got the added burst of air if you want, but that gets rid of all the dust areas from where you're milling your pattern from. Now, when you turn it off, it takes about 5 seconds for the air to turn itself off. That's it. Now, getting back to the operation of it. On this side you've got a stylus, and on that side you've got an appropriately matched cutting tip. And how this works is, well, first you make a pattern, and for this particular material I've used a light curing hard composite material, a hard composite resin, to fabricate the pattern. Once I've done that, I super glue it in the jig, which is held on this platform of the machine. Now this is also a independent jig to that one, but they're linked through that mechanism there. That's, I think, 2 of the axis and the other 2 there, because this is a 360 flip, which means you can mill both sides. As you can see there, the pattern, that's the top. And there, now with these 2 I can change the cutting tip with the corresponding stylus. I've got about 30 different sizes. It goes anywhere basically from 4mm size down to 0.3mm size, and anywhere in between, but that gives me a full range of anything basically I want to mill. Plus with the 5-axis tilt, it makes everything achievable. Now, being a pantograph design, especially with the stylus and everything, you would think the quality, especially the quality of fit, is questionable. But I have to say, I've got a few friends that own CAD/CAM machines which do a similar thing, and the quality of fit of this machine is every bit as good, and in difficult cases better than CAD/CAM machines. It can also mill things that a lot of CAD/CAM machines just can't, although that's because of programming, but anyway, that's a different thing. But anyway, as a principle of how I do some of my milling, this is it. I can also adapt this to mill metal and just about anything wood, or just about anything else as well. Also, the ratio can be changed. In this particular setup, it's set up so it mills 20% bigger on the cutting tip than it does on the stylus. That's because in this case I'm milling zirconia ceramic, and the shrinkage rate of that is 20%. Now, what that automatically takes care of, because of the ratio here, which you can change, but just means fabrication of different parts, this is automatically milled 20% bigger. So after sintering, this will be exactly, or pretty much, the same size as that. I think the accuracy of fit, as quoted by the factory, is 20 microns. But again, that's an average, and being a manual machine, it's very dependent upon the dexterity of the user. So a practiced hand is a big advantage to using this, and patience, of course. So another thing to consider for you 3D printer guys maybe is this mechanism here, because it moves so freely. See, it's suspended by a spring up there which is on rollers, and literally it'll bring itself back to the rest. So it's really, really easy, really flawless. And like I said, the operation and the accuracy of this thing is unbelievable. Anyway, I'll do a follow-up video to show you the actual fit of these, or the comparison of fit between the pattern, the actual pattern, and the finished job, or the finished coping I should say. So anyway, I'll post that next. Post your thoughts. Bye for now.